You've heard the story. Cows are bad for the climate, grazing ruins the land. But what if the opposite is true when it's managed right? Here's what well-managed cattle actually do for soil. First, their hooves. Hooves break up crusted soil surfaces, helping water soak in instead of running off, and making it easier for roots to push deeper into the ground. Their dung isn't waste, it's fertilizer. It adds organic matter, nitrogen, phosphorus, and beneficial microbes back to the land. It also feeds dung beetles and other insects, which mix, tunnel, and aerate the soil even further. Their urine? That's a targeted nitrogen spray. It delivers plant-available nitrogen exactly where grasses can grab it and turn it into more growth and more roots. Cattle don't eat everything evenly. Their selective grazing creates a patchwork of plant heights and species. Some areas are nibbled short, others are left taller. That mosaic supports more insects, more birds, and more life above and below ground. And that trampling? It presses grass and plant litter down onto the soil surface, like a protective blanket. That blanket feeds microbes, reduces evaporation, protects against erosion, and helps plants grow deeper, denser root systems that store more carbon in the soil. Under good management, short grazing periods, long rest, no overgrazing, grazed permanent pasture can build topsoil over time. More roots, more organic matter, more life, more carbon stored underground. Now compare that to repeated plowing for annual crops. Every time we turn the soil, we expose it. Wind and rain carry it away. Organic matter burns off. Topsoil, the thin, living layer that feeds us, shrinks. We've already lost a huge share of global topsoil in the last 150 years, much of it from repeated plowing and leaving fields bare. The American Dust Bowl was a warning. Native grasslands and vast herds of grazers were removed. Deep-rooted prairie plants were replaced with plowed wheat fields. Then came drought, and the soil literally blew away. Not because of grazing, but because grazing ecosystems were replaced by bare, plowed fields. Permanent pasture with grazing cattle means no plowing, living roots in the ground, rain captured instead of lost, and soil that builds instead of erodes. We've already run this experiment. Cattle on well-managed grasslands rebuild soil life. Bare, over-plowed fields turn it into dust. So next time you hear, "just remove the cattle," ask a simple question. What happens to the soil? Because healthy soils, thriving grasslands, and well-managed cattle can be on the same side.